We're live.
Awesome. Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Kay from Saarinen Organics, and welcome to Hydrate Me Monday. And my topic today is all about menopause and itchy skin. So menopausal itchy skin, and look, this is something that I'm actually going through myself right now, and it is driving me bonkers. Like I actually didn't know this was going to be happening. I didn't know about the itchy skin, knew about the hot flushes, I knew about the insomnia, but oh my goodness, the itchy skin, it's driven me, I have to do something about it. So I've done a lot of research, been talking to a lot of customers, I've also been talking to a lot of friends that are going through it as well. And the main thing that I've actually found is that of course the cause is our lack of estrogen. And what estrogen does, it actually feeds the collagen in our skin. And collagen, of course, keeps us youthful and also supple, and helps the skin moisturize as well. So it's getting sucked out of us, and therefore that's what's creating the itchy skin. Like it's bizarre. It's sometimes it feels like you've got insects crawling underneath your skin. Sometimes it feels like your skin's really tingly as well. But the good news is there's actually quite a lot that you can do without going down the line of going down medical. Of course, there's a time and a place for medical, but I really, for myself, I've tried to help myself. And so I've found the best ways to feed the collagen in your skin is with zinc, silica, and vitamin C. So also this is all about your diet as well. And I've been having some really great results with some very simple diet changes. So my diet changes have been things like bone broth. So I have a chicken and bone broth soup pretty much every night with veggies as well. And I have a glass in the morning of lemon juice, so that's your vitamin C coming in there. And I also do, I love having a berry smoothie. There's lots of antioxidants and zinc and silica in them as well. And so fish oil is really good too. I don't eat a lot of fish, so I'm having a lot of fish oil supplements. And I've also found Sandra Bow's collagen powder. Really good, and that is basically zinc, vitamin C, and silica. And look, and I found it has helped immensely with the itchies because it's from head to toe. I'm sure I can relate. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that can relate. A lot of people have been coming to me at markets. And so what's worked for me also topically is my hypericum cream. So, and I've had it quite a few people try it out for menopause itchy skin, and it's been working for them as well. So it's a beautiful cream. It takes me about 6 months to actually make my hypericum cream, and that's because I make a hypericum and apple cider vinegar tincture. You've probably seen a couple of videos of me making my tinctures. I love my tinctures, and making it out of apple cider vinegar, it's a really natural way to extract the goodness out. A lot of tinctures are made with alcohol or universal solvents, and they actually cause itchiness, so counteractive. So it takes about 6 months to draw out exactly what I need, and I put it on a hydraulic press and I pull out exactly what I need. So what hypericum is doing is acting like a local anaesthetic. So it's numbing those nerve endings, but I've also got a whole lot of other oils in there and ingredients to help calm the skin down. So we've got things like local low heated honey in there. I do a fresh herbal infusion, of course, from the herbs grown on our permaculture farm. All our herbs are certified organic, and all of those herbs like chickweed, plantain, a bit more hypericum, calendula, chamomile, blue mallow, they're all about calming the skin down. Also vitamin D. Vitamin D is huge for itchy skin, so that's things like good old-fashioned castor oil, apricot oil and coconut oil. So that's all in this cream. I've also got essential oils in there too. That help for any sort of antibacterial as well. So look, I've been having fantastic results, and I can't believe it, in my head too, like in my hair, that's even where I'm itchy as well. It's quite remarkable. So I'll actually wash my hair, and then I'll put my hypericum cream, actually I'll part my hair and I'll just pump a little bit in, and I'll just massage it into my hair, and then comb it through, and it acts like a fantastic leave-in conditioner as well. So those 2 tips from the inside to help with itchy skin, for menopausal skin, and also topical. They're both really important. So we're actually going to do a special today as well for Hydrate Me Monday. We're going to do 10% on our website, 10% off our hypericum cream, and it comes in 2 sizes too actually. So we've got the 250ml and we've got the 100ml there as well. So I hope I've given some good information there. And look, is there any questions? Have we got actually any questions, Mel? No, any questions.
We've got one that's come through on Instagram last night. So it says, I'm so itchy. I have some patches on my face. I think the cream I'm using may be making it worse.
Ah, really good question. And look, your face is different to the rest of your body. So the hypericum cream is basically from your neck down. So for your face, what I really recommend to do is things like our night cream and our nourishing serum. And you don't really have to buy our parts. You can get things out of the garden as well. Aloe vera is fantastic for the face. Fresh aloe vera in the fridge, nice and cool, pop it on. We've also got aloe vera in our night cream, and also sebum-like oil. So there's a lot of vitamin E in these. So that's really great. That's a great question, that one.
And second question, what have you found for menopausal insomnia?
Oh, insomnia. I'm looking a little bit tired because I have been suffering from insomnia with menopause. So I've been experimenting there as well, and I'm finding magnesium at night time has been fantastic. It's really helping to relax my muscles, but I'm also experimenting with CBD oil. So this is really quite new in Australia, and they take out, the stuff in there. Is it THC? I think it is. Mm. They take that out, so that's not what you're having. It's from the hemp seed, and I'm finding it actually really good. It is quite on the expensive side, but I think I want to try the natural way first before I go and get a prescription or something for any sleeping pills.
So that's it for the questions, but we've actually just had a suggestion come through. Somebody said the bone broth is a good tip, but they've also been having berries.
Yes.
They're finding berries are helping.
Berries are fantastic, and it's berry season too, which is really great. We've been getting lots of raspberries in our garden actually. So definitely in the morning, have a beautiful berry smoothie. You can get frozen berries too from the supermarket. You can get good organic ones actually, and pop them all in a smoothie. And a little bit of actually popping your berry smoothie too, a little bit of seaweed. So powdered seaweed, because powdered seaweed is chock-a-block full of zinc and also chock-a-block full of silica, which is what we need.
I've actually just on the sleeping topic, or lack of, what about crushing fatigue even if you have slept well?
Oh, the fatigue is incredible, isn't it? It's even if you have slept well, that is so true. I have been experimenting with, there's a Spanish tea called yerba mate. So yerba mate, it's a herb that gives you the same effect as caffeine without that really, without the horrible full-on DTs that you get with caffeine. But it's also good for your liver, unlike coffee. So if you can track down some yerba mate and even ginseng and ginkgo, actually make an energy and memory tea, I should say. And I used to sell it at the markets, but I keep a little bit in my lab for myself. So if you're interested, I can make you up some tea too.
What we can probably do is also put some of these suggestions in the chat here for anybody that might have missed them.
That's a great idea. Yeah,
we can do that.
Yeah, great idea. That's fantastic. Awesome. That's great. Thank you so much for the questions. I really appreciate that. And next Monday, we'll be talking a lot more about silica, because silica is a very, very important one for collagen and what else we can do for our bodies. So thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next Monday.